Today we're talking about the future. The sleek, stylish, remarkably light future, and it looks a lot like this. This, my friends, is the Carbon Ultralight Rollator from WHLICKS, and if the name didn't give it away, this thing is so light, I'm pretty sure it's the mobility aid equivalent of a hummingbird. The Amazon listing says it only weighs 13 pounds. 13 pounds! That is less than my neighbor's prize-winning pug. I can pick this up, put it in the back of my car, and not need a chiropractor after. The secret? It's made of carbon fiber. You know, the stuff they use for high-performance race cars, and apparently a mobility aid that makes you feel like you're gliding, not just walking. But don't let the featherweight feel fool you. This thing is a beast. It boasts 330-pound weight capability. That's a serious amount of support. You've got your ergometric handles, which are angled forward to encourage more upright posture, so you're not walking around like a question mark. They come with increments. I am on setting number 2, and then if we go over here, it's just so super easy to check, and you can see 1, 2 matching. Plus the brake cables are hidden inside the frame, which is great because they won't snag on a rogue shopping cart, or in my case, a particularly aggressive houseplant. It has parking brakes. You simply push down, it locks, push this down, and it locks. The sleek design is just a bonus. And when you get tired of showing it off, you can take a load off. The built-in seat is perfect for a quick break. Whether you're waiting for your coffee order or you just need to sit down after realizing you've been walking for 5 straight minutes without a single groan. And take a look at this. It folds up. Not just folds up, no wrestling, no complicated instructions. What do you say we fold it up real quick? As you can see, that only takes 2 seconds to take that off. And then simply lift this up, folds up just like that. How wild is that? This is a game changer for anyone who wants to throw it in the trunk of their car or a closet without a 15-minute struggle. Another high point, it comes with not 1, but 2 organizer bags. One attaches to the frame, perfect for your phone, keys, and a few snacks. And the second, a larger one, more structured bag that sits under the seat. Think of it as a mobility pantry. Has a loop on either side. Simply slide it over this post here. I managed to fit an entire bag of chips and a 6-pack of diet soda in there. Don't judge me, it was a long day of reviewing mobility aids. So to recap, the Carbon Ultralight Rollator is the Ferrari of walkers. The high points are its ridiculous lightweight, thanks to that beautiful carbon fiber frame, the super easy folding, and the sleek non-medical design. The one possible issue being its price point. But if you're looking for a mobility aid that gives you back your independence without feeling like you're carrying a sack of bricks, this is it. If this sounds like the upgrade you need, you can find the link to the product in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. And while you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've ever had a run-in with a truly ridiculous old school walker. I've got stories for days. Thanks for watching and stay mobile, my friends.